Hi traders, this is Sarjun. Welcome to Global Wealth Education Forex Academy Weekly Forex Forecast. I believe from our previous weekly Forex forecast, you could have gained some good value, knowledge, and caught good number of pips on our expected directions, move, and targets. To verify, please check our previous weekly Forex forecast videos to understand how we trade. To become profitable and a successful trader, you need the right Forex education, tools, and strategies. We made easy to learn Forex for anyone to learn and earn.
Okay guys, dollar index. So what we have seen last week, we said that we are looking for price to run lower towards our target, towards 93.50. As we said, we had a nice down move. So now what is next? Now I'm anticipating this week dollar index to run further lower and fill this imbalance. Then there's a possibility to run further lower to this price level, which is 92.50 as well. Then we could anticipate the expect to run higher towards target upside towards 95.50. This is a move I'm anticipating. And one more thing, guys, on dollar index, I'm anticipating bullish move as we are getting closer to the US election. So let's see what dollar index going to give us. Suppose DXY run lower, then again we should reassess the price actions, right? And for now, I'm anticipating dollar index to run this area, and we could look for some bullishness from this area towards 95.50. Okay, EURUSD, what we mentioned last week. Last week we said that when we're here, we are looking for price to, after this impulsive move towards downside, we were looking for some correction towards upside, as we mentioned, and we have given the target. We reached the target from here to here, this move, this complete move, right? This move has happened, right? Now, the price reached to our targets toward 1.18 price level area. This is exactly, I have given this price level on last week forecast video. Now, what's next? Furthermore, after the little pullback, we could more potential towards upside to get to this price level, which is 1.83 price level area. Then from here, we could anticipate some selling opportunities towards the target, towards downside. This is a move I'm anticipating on EURUSD this week. So let's see. Suppose if the price climb further higher by breaking this high, right? Then we have to reassess the price action and see what the market going to give us. Let's move on to GBPUSD. The setups, this is we are keeping for our references, and we have taken a few trades that we shared on our private students members group. Let's move on to GBPUSD. Okay, GBPUSD guys, what we seen GBPUSD last week. We said last week we're looking for up move, right? As we said, we had a nice beautiful up move. Now what is next? In the meantime, just ignore this trade setups, guys. We are keeping these trade setups just for the educational purpose for our students and members. Here we have taken a number of trades on last Thursday and Friday. We have achieved good number of pips in each trades. Nearly we caught about, we could say that over 100 pips, right? Market structure and momentum change time to time. So we know how to manage the trades, and the way we teach our students to execute the trades based on smart money price action with our unique strategy. These trade setups we did share with our members and private groups, right? Now, what next? So now I'm anticipating GBPUSD to run higher towards 1.3100 price level area, right? From here, we could anticipate if the price quickly run lower and break this low, then we have a potential to run towards our downside targets. If price stays above this high, above this previous high, these highs, then we could anticipate price to run higher further towards target upside to 1.3260 price level area. This is the move I'm anticipating on GBPUSD for this week. Let's move on to AUDUSD. AUDUSD, after this impulsive move, then we were here last week. We said that on our previous focus video, we are looking for this upside targets. As you said, we have reached this target. Target were given on weekly focus video. Now, what is next? So here we have just taken low risk selling opportunities. We found then we execute with 3 pips stop loss, but this is too tight stop loss, so it's hit. Now we'll wait for the price action to print some candles. We need more price action to see, look for another opportunity. There's a 2 scenario we can anticipate on AUDUSD for now. We could expect price to run lower, right toward this area, and the second scenario is I'm anticipating price to run higher this area. Then we could possibly look for some selling opportunities towards our downside targets, right? So this is a move I'm anticipating on AUDUSD. For now, if we see any confluence, then we could possibly look for some selling opportunities on AUDUSD for now. But if this high taken, then we have more potential price to run higher toward this area. Let's move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD, what we have seen last week, guys. Last week when we mentioned that we are anticipating down move. This is a move we were waited. As we said, we had a nice, beautiful down move, and let's see that how much the pips was. It's about 152 pips move, right? So now what is next? So now I'm anticipating price to run lower, and this area we could possibly look for some buying opportunities towards upside targets that we have here, right? Suppose if the USD CAD break this low, if this low is taken, then we have a potential price to run lower. But for now, I'm anticipating on price just to drop a little bit further down. Then we could anticipate some buying opportunities on USD CAD towards the target on upsides, right? That's what I'm anticipating on USD CAD. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe and do share with others as well. We are accepting students for our mentorship program. If you're interested, please do contact us on below link. I wish you all for fantastic trading week. Take care. See you soon.